Hello guys, it's your boy Anomaly from Sweden. So as you can hear, there is something wrong with my voice. I have COVID, this is very nice. But before the video starts, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Skinport. Skinport is a really sick website where you can sell or buy CSGO skins. You see, it's funny because I've got COVID. They've got almost 650,000 skins listed, which is insane. And if you're buying skins, for example, a butterfly knife on the Steam market, you'd be paying almost 1,500 euro, but on Skinport they're listed for under 1,000 euro, which is a huge difference. That's a really sick price. But also, if you're selling skins and they're over $1,000 in value, then the selling fee is only 6%, which is very nice. Skinport is also the highest rated CSGO marketplace on Trustpilot with a rating of 4.9. And Savage G says, sick website, top rated. Why'd you have to say sick, bro? So, whether you're buying or selling CSGO skins, then please use the link in the description to try out Skinport. And thank you once again, Skinport, for sponsoring me, even though I am very sick. So, gentlemen, we have a new case. Of course, they release it when I have COVID, thank you. This is the worst blog post as well, like you can't see anything. There's no links to anything. Release notes. The Recoil case. Introducing the Recoil case, featuring 17 community-designed weapon finishes. Maps. Ember. Literally no one cares. Custom game type. Added support to map-placed weapons. I guess that's cool. Nice update. Literally only a case. Oh no. That's so expensive. Recoil case. I'm recoiling from the price of this. You see, I may have COVID, but I can still make funny joke. The case just looks like it has the print stream effect, but it doesn't. This is so sad. Also, look, someone just had a Sharpie and just went like, what the fuck? This is shit. Do we know what gloves are in it, by the way?
Broken Fang.
Of course, that's a disappointment. Okay, so items that can be in this container. Very cool. Let's start and give a quick review to them. Fama's Meow 36. Why is it called Meow though? It has nothing cat on it. This one, I'ma give this one a solid fucking 3 out of 10. Next one, Galil Destroyer. This one at least, oi, look here, it's got a 3D effect. This one from me gets like a 6 out of 10. It's decent. Like, you could play with it. Next one, M4 Polymag. Oi! I like this one a lot. And the case eject port thing says spit it out. Damn, that's not what I tell the bitches. You see, I'm maybe deathly ill, but I'm still funny as. The stupidest thing... Oh, wait, I'ma rename the TeamSpeak. From Ludwigsburg Hörna, I'm gonna rename it. I'm gonna rename it to the Quarantine Corner. The whole TeamSpeak is just sick people now. Also, fun fact, I was supposed to go to Sweden for a little bit of a holiday. I guess that's cancelled now, because I need to quarantine. Wow. I'd give this one like a 8 out of 10. I quite like it a lot. Next one, Mac 10 Monkey Flage. What the fuck?
Why does it call it Spunky Monkey? What the fuck?
What? Spunky? That means cum. This one is, it doesn't look cool, but it's quite funny. Next one, Negev Drop Me. Yeah, good thing it's called Drop Me, because who the fuck plays Negev? Wait, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, what the fuck?
I've never seen that before. What have... I've played this game for like 10 years. How have I never seen that? Bro, it's 12:30 a.m. I just want to be in bed and feel sick. I got hella fever. This one looks like shit though. I'd rate this like a 3 out of 10. Next up, UMP Roadblock. Oi! Look here! That's insane. That's a very nice effect. This is like literally 8 out of 10 as well. For a blue as well. Great skin. Next up, Glock Winterized. For a blue, this is way too clean. I'd say this one a 7. Okay, the first purple, R8 Crazy 8. Inspired by the events of December 8, 2015. What happened on December 8th? Donald Trump called for a total shutdown of Muslims entering United States. What the fuck? Wait, what the fuck? It looks way too, like, colorful to be purple, kinda. I don't know. Next up, M249 Downtown. What? This is just a purple. How? Back in the day, this would have definitely been, like, a pink or a red. I'd say this one, yeah, this is like an 8. Next up, SG Dragon Tech. How is this a purple? I'm pretty sure the Valve is on crack now. They're just choosing, like, red quality skins for purples. Next up, P90 Vent Rush. Oh, yeah. Look at this also. The 3D effects. Holy shit, look here. This looks like something from like Alien versus Predator.
Oh, even the fucking barrel is hella cool.
You're just talking about the barrel and Arctic's dying in the background. And the final purple, Dual Berettas Flora Carnivora. Like, this is 100% a pink quality skin. Why are they doing this? I'm not even kidding, like, no one should open the old cases anymore, because they're so outdated. If this is what the new era purples look like, it's not worth opening the older cases. Because these ones, you have a better odds of getting skins that actually look really good. Okay, let's start with the pinks. AK Ice Cold. This shit looks like it's from Valorant. This is like a 7 from me. This is clean. Next one, we have P250 Visions. Holy shit.
One crow short of a murder. What?
Murder is like, if there's a bunch of crow, a bird. It's called a murder.
What the fuck are you linguist? Fuck.
My dumb Arab can't even say simple word. This one is pretty cool though. It looks like LSD painting. I'd say this is like an 8 or so. And the last pink, Sword of Kiss Love. What the fuck? This is Aug Akihabara on crack.
I won't take no for an answer.
I have to have it, bro. Me when I inquire the women about the pussy. Now for the reds. Oi, oi, oi. We got USPS print stream. That is very cool. It looks like that one from Dreams and Nightmares. It looks like this one if it had a baby with the USPS whiteout, you see?
Oh yeah.
I like it. Biracial USP. And then lastly we have the Op Chromatic Aberration. This one I think is my favorite. I love the Galil Chromatic Aberration. 360. No scope. Wow. Oi, I didn't see that. No scope, blind, smoke, headshot, wall bang. I'd say for me, this is like an 8. I don't think it's worthy of a red, but it's still pretty cool.
Terminally ill man.
Terminally ill man gives testament in last video. So I guess now is the time where... Dude, why didn't I wait? Already I would have saved like 10 euro, man. What the fuck? So I guess we've come to the point where I open a bunch of these cases. However, they're still very expensive. So it's now 0041. I'm gonna wait a little while and see if they become cheaper. And then I'll open some. So I'll be right back. And also I'll cough my fucking lung up. Okay, it's now 4 a.m. And the cases are 12.5 euro each. And since I got 300 euro on my wallet, I guess that means I can open around 20 cases. Oh, Jesus. 20 Recoil cases, gentlemen. Just Arctic coughing in the background. That's how you speedrun 300 euros worth of wallet balance, by the way. Oh, yeah. Okay, this looks nice. This looks nice. The key actually looks nice. It looks like mother of pearl. Arctic, like your mother is dog. First Recoil case ever. Yeah, it's very exciting. All new skins. Oh yeah. What was it? Crazy 8? Yes. The one about fucking
December.
Immigration. Admiral, you being a representative of the Middle East, what do you think?
I concur.
I don't know what that means. Next one, let's see. Yeah, I would not mind having a red now for... Oh, me! Oh, Destroyer. Like, fuck this skin, bro. Look at here. If you just crop out this, it looks like a fucking box of Oreos. Yeah. Oh, I fucking hate this one. Why is it called Meow? Whoever made this skin is schizophrenic. Whoopee! COVID sick man spends his last hard-earned dollars on cases in video game and gets absolutely wrecked. Oh, no. Oh, bruh. Oh, my God. StatTrack Meow Factory New. How much is this one? Huh? It's not listed. Look, there's no listings. It's the #1 in the world. It's the only StatTrack Factory New in the world. Dude, this is actually buzzing. That's actually very cool. World first StatTrack Factory New. Open.
You can't sell it now, man.
Of course I can. Shut the fuck up, bro. So already we got a cool skin. Whoopee! Hey. Oi. Vent Rush. The more I look at it, I think the less I like it, because there's just so much going on.
There's duct tape on it as well.
Yeah, like my ex-girlfriend. It has been custom painted with the word Destroyer, but it can only be read from certain angles. Let's try it. In the next case, I hope I unbox a noose so I can fucking hang my Motherfucker, you sound like fucking Peter Griffin.
The
Peter Pumpkin Eater 69. Why do you, a grown man with a full-time job, have that shirt? Bro, fuck this skin. I changed my rating. This is a 0 out of 10. I've spent like 15 minutes trying to find this shit. I'm out. Yeah, yeet. Maybe. Oh, okay. Lol. Cum monkey. I'm so happy. What? Red, tan, and green monkeys? It's like you, Admiral. You're a tanned monkey. I am severely ill. I probably have 40-degree fever. COVID is ravishing my body, and I'm unboxing blues.
That's stupid.
Oy, dragon tech.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks pretty good. It's a dragon though, I don't know. Arctic, do you like dragons? Dragon these nuts on your face. I'm running out of shitty sexual jokes. Oh yes, I'm actually happy. Oh fuck me. Oh, 96. Alright, let's keep going then. We're more than halfway done, and that's how I feel about my life as well. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yay.
Flora carnivora. Ja, nej, another. Oh my god. I said I like the UMP, but come on, bro. I've gotten 4 of them. Yeah, yeet. 5 cases left. Then I can finally chemically castrate myself. Men fan. Oh, wow, we got the worst, arguably one of the worst skins in the entire case. So far, we have not been lucky. Sadly. Oh, cute. How did they know?
What?
They put the size of my penis on this one. 9 millimeter.
Okay.
Okay, gentlemen. The last recoil case, the one I bought for 23 euro or something. Let's see what we get. Whoopee! Oh, blue trade up. Yeah. Okay, let's see. What do I get? Wow, I bet it's something really cool. Okay, let's see the new R8 in-game. Pretty decent, actually, I'm not gonna lie, but who the fuck plays R8? Then we have the dual Berettas. These are kinda mid, I'm not gonna lie. And the UMP, let's see. Bro, that's horrendous in-game, what the fuck? You can't even see the effect in-game. Now you can see it, kinda, you see?
I have to shake it to see it.
Yeah, like my dick. So, that was a nice spending of 300 euro. I hope everyone enjoyed that as much as I did, which is 0%. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I get healthy soon, because having COVID, not very fun. I would not recommend on my Yelp review. If you don't see me uploading in the next, like, few weeks, I have died from COVID. Goodbye. POV, you just spent 300 euro on like 2 purples and 6 blues. Oh my god, what the fuck? How are you this lucky, bro? What the fuck?